Hello mga kachupos! Hello mga kachupos!
1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's welcome the Philippine Medical Expo. Palakpakan natin.
Hello mga ka-Chupos, ngayon ay day 1 ng PhilMed at kasama natin si Sir Bert.
Hello, magandang araw.
And Sir Bert, regarding po pala sa event na to, is ano pala yung rene-represent niyo po?
Okay, so andito ako on behalf of the UE College of Dentistry na inimbitahan ng Fireworks, yung organizer, to be among the few schools and the few relevant institutions na mag-participate dito. Actually, first time na mag-participate ng UE dito sa Medical Expo. Apparently, 8th edition na ito ng event. Pero ngayon pa lang na-imbitahan ng UE because they thought mainam na masama yung UE College of Dentistry. Now, part of the invitation, I would assume, is UE kasi ang top-notch na school, lalo na pagdating sa dentistry. So, almost every exam, taas yung rating ng examinees na graduate ng UE, and at the same time, ang daming nakaka-top 10 sa na top-notchers. So, yun, finally na-invite. Now, hindi ako dentista, hindi rin ako technically part ng College of Dentistry per se, but I'm here in my capacity as the marketing director ng UE. And ako na lang ang nag-represent in the meantime, both sa UE and sa college.
And Sir, regarding po pala sa pagpasok po muna sa UE, Sir, i-separate po ba siya na college degree or parang ano na siya, parang MA or doctorate na po yung dentistry po?
Thank you. Napakasarap sagutin yung tanong mo. So, in effect kasi, ang UE College of Dentistry ay merong undergraduate at saka postgraduate levels. Yung undergraduate level is yung Doctor of Dental Medicine na 6-year program siya na tinitake ng mga fresh out of high school na mga bata na nais maging dental health professionals. So, yun yung itatake nila, and after that, they will take the licensure exam. Pag naipasa nila yun, magiging certified sila na dental health professional. Now, the postgraduate offering naman ng UE College of Dentistry is yung Master of Science in Dentistry na so far ay 3 ang majors. Those are endodontics, orthodontics, at saka periodontics. Yun, marami rin na nag-enroll. And as a matter of fact, ang UE College of Dentistry, ang pinakamarami din na enrollees, not just in terms of overall number, but also in terms of foreign students. So maraming na-attract na enrollees from other countries yung UE College of Dentistry dahil marami na rin graduate before, tapos nababalitaan nila, uy, okay sa dentistry, ganyan-ganyan. So, that's it.
And Sir Bert, regarding po pala sa UE, is lahat po ba ng branches ng UE is may dentistry po or selected lang po?
Ang UE College of Dentistry ay exclusive to UE Manila. Nandun siya. And actually, kung familiar ang ilang mga kapanood nito sa Claro M. Recto Avenue, and maybe familiar nung may mga sinihan pa doon sa Recto na yung mga stand-alone na wala sa mall. Yung building ngayon ng UE College of Dentistry used to be a movie house. Yung Gutesco Theater, yung pinakamalaking Gutesco Theater back in the 80s and 90s, ay yun na yung bahay, so to speak, ng UE College of Dentistry. Nasa kanto ng Moraita at saka Recto.
And Sir Bert, regarding po pala sa event po, is after po nitong PhilMed, is may mga upcoming events po ba kayong magjo-join or sasali kayo, sir?
Wala pang word, but what I can mention is that UE will have its 79th anniversary coming in September. Tapos, ayun, malalaman mo na rin at ng iyong mga manonood na for those who might be currently grade 12 students, merong free college entrance test and open house days na i-conduct in early October. Still part of our 79th Foundation anniversary. Dumalaw na lang sa Facebook account ng UE, yung University of the East, UE, for further details later, possibly later this month or in early September.
And any ano pa sir na gusto niyo pong i-plug po sa ating mga viewers po sir?
Well, thank you so much for this opportunity. Ayun. So we're here at Phil Medical Expo para sana in case may mga estudyante na interested to become college students at a prestigious university and at the same time specifically eager to become dental health professionals, sa UE ka na.
Once again, thank you Sir Bert.
Thank you, Alex.
Hello mga kachupos! Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng PhilMed at kasama natin si Sir